Hey guys, I have the same problem on my system. What you have to do, I will be doing in front of you to fix this issue. So in the first step, simply go to search bar and type your settings. Then click here to open it from the search results. On this window, we need to simply select personalization on the left side. And on the right side, we need to just scroll down and search for themes. Just click here and then again scroll down and find out the desktop icon settings option. In the related settings, just click here, so it will open a new window that is desktop icon settings. So we need to select those icons which you want. Then for example, I will select computer, network, control panel and user files. So we need to click on apply and then OK, but still it's not showing on my desktop. So I will simply right click on the desktop and will select the view option, and after that check this option, show desktop settings icons. So we need to check it. So here we go, the all applications and the icons are showing on our desktop. So that's it guys, your problem is solved, you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.